describe the cloud service types. So as we have seen in our previous video, in the video the first video for Azure fundamentals, these are the three types of three types of cloud services: infrastructure as a service, then platform as a service, and software as a service. So basic differences between them will be the responsibility of the services in it. So like which portion is responsible for taken responsibility by the customer, or which part is taken responsibility by the cloud provider. In Azure we say it's a Microsoft. So as we seen, we just go for here. So the responsibility, so here SaaS and platform service, then infrastructure as a service. So we see all these three things. So infrastructure as a service is the cloud provider just provides us only the infrastructure, data center, network, host. The rest all on top is all on the customer side. So that's the infrastructure as a service. Then platform as a service is information, devices and accounts is fully on customer. The identity, application and network is shared responsibility. Then operating system, host, network, data center. So they provide the platform for things to be hosted and running. So this will be on the Microsoft side. Then it's a software as a service. So they provide the complete software setup for the clients to use, for the customers to use. So till the application level, it's all on the cloud provider. That's a Microsoft here. Then identity and directory infrastructure is a shared responsibility. Account, device and information is on software, is on the customer. So in general, if you see here, in all the three models, the physical portions, all the physical portions is fully on the Microsoft side. That's on the cloud provider. So whatever model you take. And also here on top, information, device and account and identity, all these three is fully on the customer side, irrespective of whatever model you take. So we will see some more in detail about these three things. Okay, so this is infrastructure service, platform and software. So in general definition is like provides virtualized computing resources over the internet, provides you the basic infrastructure services only. The physical thing, it will be covered by the cloud provider. Then platform provides hardware and software tools over the internet, typically for application development. Then software as a service provides you software application over the internet. Here only the software tools is provided. Here the entire software is provided to run over the application. This is on the subscription basis. That's important thing to note down. Then components includes virtual machines, storage and network, as we seen just now. This includes operating system, database and developing tools, plus the infrastructure tools. Then here includes the application itself. The entire application itself is provided by the cloud provider. Then this follows the rest of the things. Then for management related, users can manage the operating system, application and data, while the provider manages the infrastructure. So here the infrastructure and platform. And for software as a service, we manage only the data and also the identities things. The rest all is managed by the provider manages everything, including the application, data, runtime, middleware, infrastructure. We just don't need to worry about anything. So the examples is Azure, AWS and all these cloud services. They provide infrastructure that comes under infrastructure as service. Then for platform as service, Azure app services. So we use the applications, app services in Azure. There will be app services to be utilized. So those are comes under the platform. Then software as a service like M365, like this Dropbox, all these are software as a service. We just install and just we are ready to go. We don't need to do any setup. We don't need to worry about anything. Everything is managed and update things all handled by the cloud provider. So that is the software as a service. So it's very important to know the difference between all these three and how these things functions, because when you are an enterprise, it's very important which service are you going to take. So only if you know very clearly in depth the differences and advantages of using which service at what point. So it's we if we are like an enterprise architect or so application owner, it's our responsibility to decide which application or which service we will need to take for a particular application. So we should have a detailed knowledge on it. And moving forward in other videos, in future videos also, we will be seeing on each topic. Then I will be touching on all these things, because it's going to be continuing for at all the stages when you're discussing about the Azure. I'll be creating this as a Azure Fundamentals playlist, so you should be able to see all the videos I will be posting, which covers from basic to all the topics of Azure Fundamentals. So once you are able to go through all the videos, you will have a basic idea what are this exam covers and what to be prepared. So by doing that, you should be able to clear your Azure Fundamentals exams. Hope the video was very helpful. Please share and subscribe to my channel Techify with Adil. And also please share the link with your friends so that they are also getting benefited. So actually with the I'll be also posting other videos you can continuously watch to learn more about the other certification. So once we have completed the entire package, you can prepare for your certification of AZ 900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals exam.